So right now we have to create our main entry point, that is the index.js. So we go here into my app and we click in new file, index.js. Okay, and this index.js is where we're gonna be. Okay, I'm gonna close that. We're gonna be pretty much writing the code. So we have const express is assigned to um, require express, require in parentheses, in quotation, in single quotes, express. We end up with a semicolon, or no, here not. Okay, so we have const express is assigned require express. The next line we have again const app is assigned express, open and close parentheses. Next line we have the const port, that is gonna be port 3000. Okay, then we have the app.get. Okay, and below we're gonna get the app.listen. So here in the app.get first, and the app.get we're gonna have some arguments here. We're gonna have the root here inside single quotes, comma. We're gonna have the request response, request comma response. Outside we're gonna have the arrow function. Okay, we're gonna open curly braces and res.send, and here is we're gonna be sending the message. So in this case it's gonna be hello YouTube world. Okay, that will be the message. Okay, that will be for the app.get, and for the app.listen we're gonna, inside of the parentheses, we're gonna put port, comma. We're gonna use the arrow function, open parentheses, close parentheses, arrow sign. Then we're gonna open curly braces. Then we're inside the curly braces, we're gonna type in console.log, open parentheses, and then we're gonna type in backticks example app listening on port. Then we're gonna open listening on port. Then you type in $, inside curly braces port. So we save it. Okay, this app starts a server and listens on port 3000 for connections. The app responds with hello world for requests to the root URL, open parentheses, the slash, or route. For every other path, it will respond with a 404 or 404 not found. The example above is actually our working server. So go ahead and click on the URL shown. You'll get a response with real-time logs on the page, and any changes you make will be reflected in real time. This is powered by Ranked, which provides an interactive JavaScript playground connected to a complete node environment that runs in your web browser. Below are instructions for running the same app on your local machine. So for running on your local machine, we have node app.js. So we type in here node, in our case it's gonna be index.js, and then we press enter. Example, listening on port 3000. So if we go to localhost 3000. Hello YouTube world. So it will work. And if you want to make it cooler, nicer, you can use HTML and CSS. But uh, yeah, running in locally. First, create a directory name my app, change it, uh, change to it, and run it npm init. So like we did before. Then install Express as a dependency. Uh, Here in your package, the JSON, we can see the dependencies. We have Express. It's gonna be the 4.18.2. That is the reason I pretty much omitted this part here, 4.18.2, because I knew that was the version. Um, what else? What else? Then install Express as a dependency as per the installation guide. And the my app directory, create a file named app.js. In our case, we did it with index.js, and copy in the code from the example above. So you have to copy that code. Um, the rec request and the res in parentheses response are the exact same objects that Node provides. So you can invoke request.pipe open parentheses close parentheses, request.on open parentheses. We have two arguments, a string data and then a callback, and anything else you could do without Express involved. So run the app with the following command. We run it, and yeah, this is our application. It worked.